Hello students, welcome to Rose Project. Myself Shreya JB from SGM College, Karad. In the previous lecture, we already started the topic line and plane. This is our lecture number 7th. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to find the angle between two planes and angle between line and plane. So let's see. First bit is here, angle between planes. Angle between plane can be determined from the angle between their normals. Suppose we have to consider the two planes are here. First plane is r bar dot n1 bar is equal to d1 and r bar dot n2 bar is equal to d2. Be to the perpendicular planes if and only if n1 bar dot n2 bar is equal to get 0. Suppose we have to give two planes and these two are the equation of a given plane. These two planes are perpendicular to each other, then their normal are always perpendicular. So their dot product is get here 0. Now to see the remark, here we have to give the two planes in the Cartesian form. So first plane is here, we write the equation of plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. This is our first plane, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0 be the second plane. These two planes are perpendicular to each other if and only if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Two planes are perpendicular to each other, then they are satisfying the condition is here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to get 0. Now to see the definition, if two planes are perpendicular to each other, then the angle between them is defined as acute angle between their normals. So two planes are perpendicular, then the acute angle between the two perpendicular planes is angle between their normals. Now to see the angle between the planes, r bar dot n1 bar is equal to d1 and r bar dot n2 bar is equal to d2 is given by cos of theta is equal to get magnitude of n1 bar dot n2 bar whole term divided by magnitude of n1 bar dot magnitude of n2 bar. So for finding the angle between two given planes in a vector form, we have to use the formula is here cos theta is equal to magnitude of n1 bar dot n2 bar divided by magnitude of n1 bar dot magnitude of n2 bar. Now to see second bit is here, angle between a line and a plane. So first upon we see the definition, the angle between line and plane is defined as the complementary angle of the acute angle between the normal to the plane and a line. Now to see how to find the angle between line and plane. If theta is the acute angle between the line, equation of line is here, we take r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, and the plane is here we consider as r bar dot n1 bar is equal to p. Then acute angle between line and plane is get here pi by 2 minus theta. Now here we use the formula cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to get here b bar dot n bar whole term divided by magnitude of b bar dot magnitude of n bar. So here we use the allied angle formulae, and we know that pi by 2 is lies on the y-axis and trigonometric functions are changed in our y-axis. So here we take cos of pi by 2 minus theta is get sin theta, and sin theta is equal to get magnitude of b bar dot n bar divided by magnitude of b bar dot magnitude of n bar. Now to see the third point is here coplanarity of two lines. Two parallel lines are always coplanar. In two parallel lines are always coplanar if suppose we have to consider two non-parallel lines are coplanar, then the shortest distance between them is get 0. Conversely, suppose the shortest distance between two non-parallel lines is 0, then they are coplanar lines. Suppose we have to consider here two lines are the lines. First is r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda 1 b1 bar, and another line is here take r bar is equal to a2 bar plus lambda 2 b2 bar. B2 coplanar lines if and only if the coplanar line are always satisfying the condition is here a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to get 0. Now the plane determined by them passes through A and having position vector is a bar a1 bar and b1 bar cross b2 bar is normal to the plane. So the equation of plane is get here r bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to get 0. So let's see the remark. Here we have to consider the two lines in the Cartesian form. So the lines are x minus x1 upon a1 is equal to y minus y1 upon b1 is equal to z minus z1 upon c1, and second line is here we take x minus x2 upon a2 is equal to y minus y2 upon b2 is equal to z minus z2 upon c2. These two lines are coplanar if and only if they are satisfying the condition is here determinant. First row is here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Second row is a1, b1, c1, and third row is take here a2, b2, c2 is equal to get 0. Suppose these two lines are coplanar, then they are satisfying the condition. Now the equation of plane determined by them is determinant. First row is take here x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row is a1, b1, c1, and third row is take here a2, b2, c2 is equal to get 0. Now to see the next point is here how to find the distance of a point from a plane. So let's see in this figure. To find out the distance of point any point P having position vector is a bar to the plane r bar dot n cap is equal to d. So in this figure we have to give the point P and we have to give the plane is here r bar dot n bar is equal to d. Now to find out the distance of point P to the plane, that is to find out the length pm. So the distance of point P having position vector is a bar from the plane r bar dot n cap is equal to P is the normal form of a equation of a plane is given by magnitude of P minus magnitude of a bar dot n cap. For finding the length pm, use this formula. So let's see the remark. The distance of origin from the plane r bar dot n cap is equal to P is get P. So suppose we have to take this point is origin. So O to M distance is get here P, and P is equal to we get here magnitude of A bar dot n cap. It is the distance from origin from the plane r bar dot n cap is equal to P. Now to see the first example is here. Find the distance of a point 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap from the plane r bar dot minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap is equal to 6. So let's see the solution of this example is here. Here we have to give the position vector of point P, that is to say here A bar is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and normal of plane is take here minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Now using this normal to find out the magnitude of n bar, so magnitude of n bar is equal to get here square root of minus 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, and sum of these three term is get here root 9, and square root of 9 is get 3. Now using this magnitude to find out the n cap is the unit vector along the normal of plane is equal to get here n bar divided by magnitude of n bar. So n bar is here we write minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap whole term divided by magnitude of n bar, that is 3. Now the normal form of a equation of given plane is get here r bar dot minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap whole term divided by 3 is equal to 2. 6 by 3 is get here 2. So this equation is comparing with r bar dot n cap is equal to P. So we get P is 2. Now to find out A bar dot n cap. So A bar is put here 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot n cap is we already determined minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap whole term divided by 3. Now taking dot product of these two bracket is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot minus 2i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap whole term divided by 3. So dot of these two bracket is get here 4 into minus 2 we get minus 8, minus 3 into 1 we get here minus 3, 2 into minus 2 we get here minus 4 whole term divided by 3. So take a sum of these three term is get minus 15 upon 3. So minus 15 upon 3 is get minus 5. Now to find out the magnitude of A bar dot n cap is equal to magnitude of minus 5, and magnitude modulus value of any positive or negative term is always get plus. So here we get modulus of minus 5 is 5. Therefore the required distance is given by magnitude of P minus magnitude of A bar dot n cap is equal to get magnitude of 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is get minus 3, and magnitude of minus 3 is get 3 unit. So the distance of the point 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap from the plane r bar dot minus 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap is equal to 6 is get 3 unit, and it is the distance from the point to the given plane. Now to see the example number 2 is here. Show that the lines r bar is equal to, first line is here I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda in bracket 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and another line is here r bar is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap plus mu in bracket I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. These two lines are coplanar. Find the equation of plane determined by them. So first upon these we can write the given equation of lines are here. First line is r bar is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda in bracket 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and another line is r bar is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap plus mu in bracket I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. So first upon we compare these two lines with the standard line, that is r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar, and second line is comparing with r bar is equal to a2 bar plus mu b2 bar. So we can write here a1 bar is I cap plus j cap minus k cap, a2 bar is 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, b1 bar is get here 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and b2 bar is equal to get here I cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Now using this information to find out a2 bar minus a1 bar, so substitute here a2 bar and a1 bar is 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap minus a1 bar is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Now take a difference between these two vectors is get here 4i minus I get 3i minus 3i minus j get here minus 4j plus 2k cap minus of minus plus k cap get here plus 3k cap, and a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to get here determinant. First row is 3 minus 4 3, second row is 2 minus 2 1, third row is 1 minus 2 2. So solve this determinant of order 3. So we get here 3 in bracket minus 2 plus 4 in bracket minus of minus is get here plus 4 in bracket 3 plus 3 in bracket minus 2. So product of these two terms is get minus 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 into minus 2 we get here minus 6. So minus 6 plus 12 minus 6 is equal to get 0. Therefore the given lines are coplanar lines. Now to find out the normal of plane determined by them is b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to determinant. First row is I cap j cap k cap, second row is 2 minus 2 1, and third row is 1 minus 2 2. Now to expand this determinant of order 3, so we get the value of b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to minus 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. Now the equation of a plane determined by them is r bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. Now dot of these two bracket is get here r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar. Now this is the vector b1 bar cross b2 bar is substitute in this equation. So we get here r bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is minus 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap is equal to a1 bar is I cap plus j cap minus k cap dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is minus 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. Now to take a dot product of these two bracket is get here minus 2 minus 3 plus 2. So minus 5 plus 2 is get here minus 3. So r bar dot minus 2i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap is equal to minus 3. Now taking common factor of this bracket is minus sign. This minus minus get cancelled. So we get here the plane equation of plane is r bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap is equal to get 3. So the remaining examples based on this bit we will see in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.